Peace be upon you. In this video, we will explain how to recover deleted videos from your phone. I will share with you a free application that is both a free and a paid version. We will only use the free version, and you will find its link in the first pinned comment. Before proceeding with the explanation, my friend, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's move on to the first step. Go to this application, the link to which you will find in the first pinned comment. Here you will find the search function for videos, but before that, I will go to my phone's gallery. Here you will find all the videos I have. 12 videos because this application recovers videos for you. Yes, but it also includes videos that are also on your phone. It may not recover all of your videos. I say this from the beginning, but it will recover videos, but not all of them, because it is only a free application. Click on Search for Video Files, then click on Allow. Go back, and here you will find Allow. Then wait while it scans your phone to recover the files and videos. Here, as you can see, it found 92 videos, and I only have 12 videos on my phone. Those videos on my phone will also be found here. Now, my friend, you are looking for videos that were previously deleted and recovered can be found here. For example, if you want to recover this video, select it like this, then you'll find Recover, click on it. Next, click Save Files here in the middle. This will take you to where you want to save the file. For example, if you want to use this folder, click Use this folder and then click Allow. It has now been successfully recovered. If you go to your videos or video gallery, as you can see, it has been recovered. I currently have 13 videos. No problems. Write your suggestions in the comments, and we'll meet again in a future video, God willing.